What's up? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the X-H2, Fuji's latest mirrorless APS-C camera. If you're ready, let's get on with the unboxing.
And it's a ticket talking module for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma.
Something similar like the X-H2S. So the X-H2, the user manuals, you have to get them online. This USB-C cable for charging the camera. Some plugs, international plugs. Nice Fuji straps. Battery. The same as what you have in the X-H2S and X-T4. So this is the X-H2, and the only way you would know is as this name here. So just like the X-H2S, X-H2 has similar body, nothing different, the same 14 layout. The X-H2 uses Fuji's latest X-Trans5 40 megapixel sensor. The camera can also shoot at 160 megapixels using pixel shifts multi-shots, meaning the camera will take about 20 of the same photos, merges them together to give you 160 megapixels. That's amazing. You can also shoot 20 frames per second in electronic and 15 frames per second in mechanical. The camera shoots up to 8K, so meaning you get 1080p up to 120, then you have 4K 24, 30, 60, there is no 4K 120, then you have 6K, 24, 30, and you have 8K 24 and 30. The camera also can shoot ProRes 422, ProRes LT, and ProRes HQ, if I'm not wrong. And also there is also the camera also shoots 4K HQ, meaning it oversamples from 8K and compresses it to 4K to give you an even higher resolution even in 4K. I think it's oversampling, yeah, oversamples or downsamples, whichever one applies. Then also, apart from shooting ProRes internally, the camera can also shoot up to 8K in ProRes RAW and 8K in Blackmagic RAW. So for the size of the camera and all the load it does, this is definitely a camera every professional videographer or even a photographer should be yearning for, especially for the price it's going for. In video, you can also shoot in 10-bit 422. So the X-H2 also boasts of Fuji's latest AI autofocus system, which comprises of eye autofocus. The camera can also be used to track cars, motorbikes, bicycles, birds, trains, planes, and even your pets, dog, cats, and all that. So it's a real capable autofocus system that Fuji has embedded into this camera. I also have the X-H2S, so I can easily testify to how good and well improved the Fuji new auto system has been enhanced. So let me give you an example with my talking head like this. I can give you an example of how snappy the autofocus system is. So it really sticks to your face. So that's the autofocus system. The X-H2 also has 7 stops of in-body image stabilization, which most people call IBIS. The camera also has 13 stops of dynamic range. The X-H2 has a tough water resistant body, which when you hold in your hands feels real good. The camera also uses the PSAM dial system, meaning Fuji gives you the ability to customize whatever you want, whatever recording or shooting mode you love or regularly shoot in. So for me, I've customized my dial. C1 I put for 4K 60, C2 I put for 1080p 120, C3 I put for 4K HQ, C5 I did 8K. So you can easily customize the dials, and every time you turn the dial, it's instantly switches. There is no lag, there is no waiting 7 seconds like the Canon R5C, where when you're switching between photos and videos you have to wait up to 7 seconds. This is with the X-H2, it's instant. You don't have to wait, you just turn it and it works instantly. Camera uses 2 card slots. It has a slot for a SD card and also a CF Express Type B card. Then also it shoots on, it's an unlimited recording. It has an unlimited record time, meaning it can record up to 240 minutes non-stop. If you're shooting in 8K, the camera can shoot up to 160 minutes in 8K mode. But if you're shooting outdoor in a hot place, Fuji has also provided an external fan that you can attach to the camera to extend further your record time. So for the price of $2,000, this camera is well capable of doing everything a videographer or even a photographer would want from a camera. And also considering that with all the specs this camera has, most of it is pairs of most of the full frame cameras that people keep clamoring and overhyping and making so much noise about are costing close to $5,000. The Z9 costs almost $5,500. The Canon R5 costs close to $4,000. The A7, the Sony A1 costs almost $6,000, or it's already $6,000. The R3 is in this $5,000-$6,000 mark. This is $2,000 and has everything. It has almost everything, if not everything, all those full frame cameras claim they have, and this you're getting for $2,000. If this is not a good deal to have, I wonder what else is. So you've learned something today. Till next time, peace.